Yo, what is up everyone? Garbage Gaming here. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to add in custom textures into your map. So the textures I'm using for this is this checkerboardy kind of texture and this pink wavy wall I got from Google. Alright, so I know it's been a while since I made a mapping tutorial, but I'm finally getting to it. So the first thing to do by doing this is you gotta have paint.net. I'll have in the link below if you guys don't have it. Alright, now when you get this opened up, go to File, open your texture that you're using, or any of them. Okay, I'll find it here. So any texture you're using, you gotta resize it to 1024 by 1024. If you don't do this, then it's not gonna work at all. So when you're trying to convert it in the asset manager, it's gonna give you a fat error saying it's not gonna work. So you gotta do this or it's just not gonna work at all. And then after you do that, then go to the File, then Save As, name it whatever, pink underscore wall, whatever, just name it whatever you want. Now go to Save As Type, and then go save it as PGA, save, and have it exactly like this. Click on OK, and now I gotta do the other one. Just gotta do the same thing. Cool. Underscore, and by the way, you cannot do spaces and type whatever you want. You gotta have underscore for space because it won't work as well. Floor, okay, cool floor. Now after we get done with that, you'll be able to convert it in a TGA form. Now go to your World at War files, then go to raw, and go to images, then put these images that you converted to here, and back it up, and then go to bin, then double click on Asset Manager, okay. Now go down here, click on Material, then go to File, Save As, and name it whatever you want. For me, I'm just gonna name it YouTube, I guess, I don't know. And save it in Call of Duty World at War source data. Save. Then go back to File Open. Then open the one that you just made. Go back down to here. Go click on Material again, and now hit New Entry. And I forgot what the heck I named it. I'll put in the name of the picture that you named it as, pink wall. Full screen. Now click on Detail. Usage is where it's going to show up in the textures. For me, I'll put in the poster, and surface type is what you're going to get when you shoot the wall or floor. It'll give like that effect. I guess water, if that makes sense. So when you shoot it, it's going to splatter like water off the wall. Yeah, that's fine. Now, the last thing you gotta do for this is go to Color Matte, and go to Raw, Images again, and find where you put it. For me, I'm just gonna look it up by typing it in. Right there, pink wall. And you can hit F10, or you can go to, here was it? PC Convert? Yeah, PC Convert, or you just go click on here. And for me, I'm just gonna hit F10 because it's a lot more easier. Now, if you get an error, then that means you probably didn't set it to 1024 by 1024, the power of 2. And when you get done with that, just hit any key and it'll disappear. Now I'm gonna go do the other one. I forgot what the hell what's it called? Cool Floor or something? Cool Floor. And now you're done with the conversion with the Asset Manager. Now you can close it out now. Now go back to, oh, I don't want to do that. Go back to Raw Images. Images, I've lost the folder. Where did they go? Oh, right there. Now, go for it, copy it. So now copy the pictures that you converted. Copy that. Now go to your map name, mods, map that you made. And if you don't have this folder called images, then just make it. Images. There you go. The pictures in here. And now after you do that, go open up the launcher. Alright, now open up Radiant. Now we can finally put the texture in the map finally. Okay, the floor. Go to poster section where I put it at. And it's somewhere. Oh, there it is. And there it is. Very nice. I'm gonna select all the walls. Okay, at least I got that wall. Just double checking. I found the texture where I put it in here somewhere. There it is. Wow. Okay. That's pretty crazy. Now after you do that, by putting in your map, click on this a few times and make sure it's saved. Then you go back to launcher and make sure it's checked on the side. If it's not checked, then the textures are just not going to do nothing. It's going to be like a white, just going to be all white or something in the game. So when you get that checked, build a mod, compile the level, and I'll be right back. Alright, now let's finally try out the map and see if the textures worked or not. And my custom colors are pretty cool too. Oh yeah. There we go.
Why don't someone go turn the power on?
Very nice. Very nice. And that water effect. Let's kill some zombies. Wanna hit the box.
Didn't count on that, did you?
Ah, PPSH, nice. Yeah, it's just a basic little testing map. I'll just be testing things like for my tutorial series and for just testing random things.
Can't touch this.
Alright, well, now at least it worked. Alright, well that's how you add custom textures into your map. Thank you everybody so much for watching, and I'll see everybody all later.